In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Meta Business Suite step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite and select the business or business portfolio you want to manage. Keep in mind that Meta Business Suite itself does not have a simple turn off switch. If you want to stop using it, you can disconnect accounts, remove access, or delete the business portfolio if you're sure you no longer need it. To remove access for a person, open Business Settings, go to People, select the person, and remove their access. If you want to disconnect a Facebook page or other business asset, open the appropriate settings and remove the asset from the business portfolio when the option is available. If you want to permanently delete the business portfolio, review your business settings and make sure you've removed important assets and resolved any outstanding issues before confirming the deletion. Remember that deleting or removing business assets can affect pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, and other connected services. That's how you can stop using or remove access to Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.